It's heavier than air, so we're going to look for it. Yeah? Good lad. Anything heavy sinks, anything light floats. Okay? So we're going to look for it. Now we need a warm-blooded creature to find it for us. Yeah? So we need these two chaps. Come on, you two now. Yeah, you. Yeah? Canaries. Yeah? We walk through the roadways, and they're just singing away, perfectly happy. Then all of a sudden they go quiet, and they pass out. Right. They've got 1 minute, I've got 5 because I'm bigger. We know where the black damp is now, so we get them back out into the fresh air and get some oxygen back into the lungs quick. Okay, and then they'll be okay. Yeah? Up until 1974, it was illegal for any mine to work without canaries. And they were still on the statute books with the mines rescue right up until 1999. Okay? In the early 70s, about 1971, Desford Mine ran out of canaries. The mines inspector went to the mine, they hadn't got any canaries, he stopped the mine. Fetched everybody out, he was going to sack the management. They knew I was breeding canaries at that time, because one of my relatives worked there, they came round to my house and bought all my canaries. I've just started breeding them again.